Roster Management is the last tab under the User section. This feature allows you to create and manage different rosters, as well as assign members to specific rosters. To create a new roster, simply click on the Create New Roster button. On the following page, provide a name for your roster and select the days you want to include in it. You can then set the times for the alerts that will be sent to this roster, using a 24-hour format. If there are any specific dates when an employee is on duty, you can configure those using the calendar. Otherwise, select No from the drop-down menu and click Submit. Once you've submitted the roster, it will be added to the list. From there, you can click on Assign to assign members to this roster. Once you've completed the assignment, you can view the members by clicking on the eye icon next to the roster in the list. To check the duty roster for a specific date, click on Check Duty Roster. If you want to generate a complete roster with all the members on duty, you can use the Generate Roster option. You can also apply filters to this roster, such as filtering by user or user rule, to view only specific users or specific criteria. In the main list, you can easily sort through the sections by clicking the arrows on the top right of each column. Additionally, you can use the search bar to quickly find your desired roster. If you ever need to delete a roster, click on the checkbox in the same row as the roster and then click Delete to remove it from the list.